Hi everyone. Let's start with the second section, the Linux command line. In this section, we'll be working with file editors like vim, NANO, and then work our way around the Linux shell, working with root, files, and the useful commands for administration. This is video 1 of section 2, installing vim, NANO. In this video, we'll be exploring and getting our hands dirty by making use of the Linux command bash shell for navigations and file permissions. vim, or VI Improved as its name suggests, is a clone of VI and offers yet more features than VI. It's free and open source, designed for use both from a command line interface and as a standalone application in a graphical user interface, or a GUI. GNU Nano is a text editor for Unix-like computing systems or operating environments, using a command line interface. It emulates the Pico text editor, part of the Pine email client, and also provides additional functionality. Let's get started. Start up the terminal and let's type in ls command. This command lists information about the files in the current directory by default. Now let's install the Nano test editor into our Linux distro. Type in sudo apt-get install nano. After installing our Nano text editor, try using the upper arrow key on your keyboard to bring back the apt-get install, then include vim so we can get the vim editor installed also. Let's take a look at the information or manual for the Nano text editor. Type man nano on the terminal to get information about Nano. Nano is a small, free and friendly editor which aims to replace Pico, the default editor included in the non-free Pine package. Now let's take a look at vim. Type in the terminal man vim for information about the vim editor. vim is a text editor that is upwards compatible to vi. It can be used to edit all kinds of plain text. It is especially useful for editing programs. Now let's get cracking. Create a directory in the home dir with mkdir nano. Do the same for vim, making a dir with mkdir vim. Now cd into the Nano directory, then type nano. Then we'll see the text editor. To get help, just use the Ctrl and G to get help. This will display wide information on how to make use of the commands and functions keys with Nano Editor. Use Ctrl and C to close the help information. Let's save some text in the text editor with Alice in Wonderland, Harry Potter and the Elder Wand. Then to save, use Ctrl and O to save the file. Name the file with script1.txt. To exit the Nano editor, use Ctrl and X to exit it. If we list the directory on the Nano with ls, we'll get the text editor already created. Now let's call the script1.txt once more, then add more text into the file. Jack went up the hill. James will be back soon. Now rename the file with Ctrl and O, then change the name from script1 to script2.txt. This will prompt you to accept with yes or no. Choose Y to accept, then this will rewrite changes with another new text editor. Then back up the file using the Alt+B for backup for our new script2.txt. Now exit the text with Ctrl and X and list the dir with ls. And we can see two scripts and a backup with the hyphen sign called tilde sign. For backup, make use of the Alt+B for backing up the script1.txt file, and we'll get the same by list the dir with ls-l. Move back to the home di with cd. Now let's deal with the vim text editor, so move into the vim dir with cd vim/. On terminal type vi script1.txt. To begin typing in the vi, tap the I for insert mode on your keyboard. In the editor, to delete a text, use escape and dd, and a text get deleted. To paste the text back, type escape and capital P to paste back. Or with lowercase p, to paste note, you can also paste multiple times with this command. You can also make use of U to undo the text. Make use of escape plus YY and P for pasting multiple times also. You can also get help with the options with have on the Vim editor. To save the script, use the escape plus WQ, followed by the name of the file, text.txt. This will save the file for us. To view this file, use cattext.txt. That's all for this video.